Google Docs is a free word processing service from Google. This service is similar to Microsoft Word, although we cannot find some features in Word on Google Docs. To change the paper size in Google Docs, the method is very easy. First enter the File menu and then select Page Setup or Page Setup. In the Paper Size section on Page Setup, friends, change the paper size that you want. There are several paper sizes available, starting from letter, legal, A4, and other sizes. After that, click OK to save the settings and see the results. Well, how about friends? How easy is it? That's how to change the paper size in Google Docs. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends.